Morning folks, Nick here. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for watching, really appreciate it. Remember to click like if you enjoy the video and subscribe at the end of the channel if you haven't already. But today I'm in a 2016 Designline Olymbus, 42-seater, 10 people standing, back to maximum load levels now, restrictions eased on public transport. So I'm doing this morning Ocean Grove to Ross Creek. It's a nice run. I'm just going to get a bit of filming now while I'm empty, and then a bit later on I'm doing Waverley Balnows. So welcome aboard, and we'll talk to you guys soon. So folks, it's only about, it's 25 past 6 AM in the morning here in Dunedin, New Zealand. So just making my way empty out to the Ocean Grove Terminus to start my run. So it's June the 17th today. So we're well into winter. It's been interesting weather. It's pretty mild this morning. It's about 12-13 degrees Celsius. So I've had some had a bit of a cold snap last week. Apparently there's another one coming this week, but it's been fairly mild, really. Very mild this morning. So we're just making our way down Anderson's Bay Road. You would have seen this in quite a lot of my videos, and this is the one-way system south, so we'll join on to Anderson's Bay Road shortly, and that will take us out to Ocean Grove, which is right out near the beach. smooth to drive as the Volvo B7s, which I often drive on the urban routes, but it's still a good little bus and quite well designed for the urban work here in Dunedin. Nice and low to the ground, easy access for the passengers. Anyway, I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the drive through to Ocean Grove.
Okay folks, I'm at the Ocean Grove Terminus. I'll be starting my run here in about 10 minutes. I'm going to sign off from now and we'll talk to you guys again soon. Cheers. G'day folks, welcome back. It's now New Zealand time 10:10 AM and I'm up at the Waverley Terminus. I'm doing the Waverley Balnow's run now for the rest of the day. I have changed vehicles. I'm out of the 2016 Designline Olymbus and I'm in a 2017 Volvo B7R Kiwi bus built model, fleet number 5004. So yeah, really mild day here in Dunedin today. It's about 17 degrees Celsius, we're in winter. So you guys will be pretty familiar with this scene now. But yeah, no, nice day, just ticking over. We'll just do a wee walk around because it's always nice to do that. But yeah, love driving these buses. So I've done most of my checks today already, but I just like to check the belts and everything are nice and tight throughout the day. Make sure there's nothing dripping, oil or water or anything like that. But these are an exceptionally well maintained fleet of Volvos, GoBus Dunedin, so very rarely do I actually have to fix anything on the run. So I'm going to change the sign shortly and we're going to head back through to Ross Creek. But thanks again for watching, guys. I might see you a bit later on, otherwise catch you next time. Remember to subscribe if you're enjoying the content. Catch you later. G'day folks, back on the road, had a lunch break. Back on the Waverley Bell Now's run for the afternoon. In my third bus for the day today, so I've been in the Designline Olymbus and the Kiwi bus built Volvo B7. I'm now in 5046, the Designline built Volvo B7. I've made these comparisons quite often in the past between the two differently constructed Volvo B7 models. So the Designline ones are a bit longer wheelbase. So we don't usually have them on this route, but exactly the same engine as I showed you earlier on the Kiwi bus built model. So as per usual, I just give the belts a wee check and make sure there's nothing dripping. So this is in the Olymbus paint scheme. We're 43 seated and 18 standing on this, so similar seating capacity as the Kiwi bus built model, but can have another 5 or so people standing. To be honest, there's nothing much between these buses. These two models, as I've mentioned in the couple of previous videos, I do prefer the ergonomics of this one, but of the Designline built model from a driving perspective. But enjoy the plushness of the Kiwi bus built model. But anyway, it's a lovely day. It's still 18 degrees here in Dunedin. I'll say farewell for now, folks. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Remember to click subscribe if you haven't already, if you are enjoying the content, and give us the thumbs up. And if I don't see you again today, farewell for the day. Otherwise I might catch up with you a bit later on. But thanks for watching, team. Catch you later.